Arrow reached out to me wanting me to check out one of their light duty staple guns, and it actually comes with staples too. So this is all in one kit, gets you ready to go right out of the bat. Now I will say I've got a Arrow pneumatic stapler already, but there are times when I'm out somewhere on the property, I'm out messing with the chicken house or doing something else, I don't have air out there. I don't have compressed air. I don't want to unhook the compressor and take it, or try to string along 3 or 4 air hoses to get out there. So having just a hand operated stapler would be perfect. So let's take a look at this and check it out. Very nice unit. Comes with 2 boxes of staples, 1,000 staples in each. And comes with the stapler. So right off the bat, I really like the stapler. Very nice. It's a nice feel. Nice. It is not going to hurt your hand having to go through this too much. It doesn't take that much pressure to use this. All right, we'll go check it out and see how we like it. If you're looking for a stapler just to have around when you need to go get a quick job done, and like for me, it works great when I got to go in the back. I went in the chicken house. I was able to get the fencing repaired around the top of the house there. This works perfect. Very easy on the hands, very easy to push it. It's not going to wear your hands out. And that grip fits. It's nothing sharp on there to hurt. Works out very, very good. Go check it out.